Time for another Dutch oven recipe. It's about 12 degrees today. I'm only going to use about half the chimney. First time through, because we're making a Polish train wreck today. Train wreck because you take all the ingredients, just kind of throw them in there. So it should be really good. It's New Year's Day 2018. Like I said, 12 degrees, a little windy. So that's why I put a few extra coals in there, because I'm only cooking from the bottom today. We'll get those coals started. You might notice, if you watch the other videos, I'm using an old cookie sheet to kind of protect the ground and, in this case, my driveway from the heat. But in an outdoor situation where you're cooking on the ground, it might help to some degree reduce scars on the grass or on the leaves. I think you'd still probably get some heat signature, but should be a little better than putting charcoal right on the ground. Okay, while the charcoal is getting ready, and it's pretty much ready, I'd show you the ingredients. So there's the Polish sausage, kielbasa, fresh kielbasa from a local butcher, cut up in about 2-inch chunks. Onions and garlic, corn, cabbage, and red skin potatoes. Now there's my Dutch oven, and I did put a liner in it to make cleanup easier. So when I get the coals down, I'll bring you back and show you when we fill up the Dutch oven with the good stuff. Okay, the Dutch oven's getting ready, so I'm going to put this stuff in, and this is kind of the way the cookbook says to do it, in this order. I don't know how much it matters, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. So the onions go in first. And then the sausage. Cabbage. You know, kind of a mandatory New Year's Eve deal. It's pork and not quite sauerkraut, but cabbage at least. And then I think these two are interchangeable. The corn and the potatoes. It really matters the order there. And I guess I forgot to get the water, or chicken stock. I'm going to put about a cup of chicken stock in there, maybe a little bit more. But I'm going to close it up, go get that, put it in, and I'll bring it back after when it's time to stir. Alright, it still looks like we've got some work to do. It's not getting all that hot. It's a little warmer. Let's give it a stir. Yeah, I did put the water in, or the chicken stock rather, and that, it was not heated, so that might have slowed things down a little bit. I can see the sausage is cooking a little bit, but not to any great degree. So, because we're having a problem with heat, so all I did was stir that, as you can probably see pretty good. Since we're having a little problem with heat, I think I'm gonna, it looks good though, I'm gonna start another chimney, or at least a partial chimney, maybe add some heat to the top. You know, this thing with Dutch oven cooking, while there's some little bit of technique to it, mostly it's just more art than science. Alright, let's give this a stir and see how we're going. Now we've had the, it hasn't been super long since I first checked it. Smells good. it's still nowhere near done. But I can see that. You can see the everything's starting to cook down a little bit and render. Cabbage, it's not quite as full as it was by volume. So the other, just start the other chimney and it's going, and then we'll get some more heat to it and speed things up a little bit. Alright, looks like the coals are probably ready to go. So I'm going to move the Dutch oven. Some fresh heat underneath there. And this time, I'm going to put them on the top too. It just seems like we're not cooking fast enough. I did just stir it. I want a lot on top. All that heat on the bottom as much as I can. Straight out. Not quite too hot yet to handle. That should get it going pretty good. It's getting dark, so I don't know how much more I'm going to be able to show you. So maybe I'll take the lid off and give it a stir for you so you can see it. Let's get that going.
The Italian version. My melody of love. Literally. La 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 la. Hey, Phil, honey. My melody of love.
Down to 8 degrees, if I didn't mention that already. From 12. By the time I'm done, I don't know what it'll be, but we're down to 8 degrees. Alright, so the red glow is kind of because it's the first and I forgot to take out my spotlights for my Christmas decorations. Some of them are still there, as you can tell. But I was waiting to get warmer for that. Can you hear that? Boiling real good now. Give that a good stir. Most of the liquid's gone. Some right at the bottom. Cabbage is cooked down. Potatoes look tender, and I'm guessing the corn's good and cooked, and as well as the sausage. I'm going to give it maybe another 10 minutes at this kind of pace. I think everything's going to be pretty well done. Done cooking. It is. And I'm sure you can't see that, but I wish you could smell it. That's fantastic. Good stir. Obviously the cabbage is cooked down. The sausage is down good. Corn is all good. And ready to take it in and eat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.